Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 2576th edition of Short Term Trading Live with Oscar. Good evening, traders. My son Michael graduates his first 2 years of college this evening. Congratulations, Michael, my son. I call him my little hero. He's got 2 more years to go, but he gets a degree this evening and then another one in 2 years. So I'll be off to take him out and enjoy after his celebration and his ceremony. But I wanted to show you something quickly before we go. Remember that trading is risky, trading of anything, any nature, whether it's crypto, whether it's fiat, whether it's anything in between. It is risky. Put your stops in first before you trade. Know the risks behind trading. So this video is for trading on Tuesday, May 16th, 2023. You're looking at the Nasdaq daily bar. The OMNI is sort of tossed. It's got some of it's neutral, some of it's bullish, some of it's bearish, going across all the U.S. indices. Some are pointing up, some are pointing down, some are pointing sideways. Blech! It's a mess. So I'm going to look at the Nasdaq and say it's been leading us lately. It got past this knock. It knocked 3 times, finally got above, in the fashion of, if you ask me, a continuation pattern, a diamond continuation pattern. Or drop a pole on it, call it a flag. I don't care what you want to call that. It looks bullish to me. So being that I've got a mixed bag in Omni, we're going to go with the buying of dips in U.S. indices. That'd be S&P, Nasdaq, probably S&P is where I'm going to play. But I just wanted to show you, it looks like Nasdaq's leading us around right now. It is above so far for 3 days. It is above the danger zone, the red line. And it looks like it wants to carry us higher. So we will be looking to buy dips in E-mini S&P for trading on Tuesday. Another interesting chart that I've been looking at, and kids, I have to show it to you. I mean, it is what it is. I only point out what's in front of my eyes. I don't create any of this. EWW, I think is the one I want to pull up. Check this chart out. You know what this chart basically illustrates? That fentanyl overdoses in America are really paying off for Mexico. This is the Mexican ETF, EWW daily bar. Now, look at this skyrocket of a market. Look at this thing. All right, now, you see where we are all the way up here? Let me see if I can do this. Let me use this. All the way up here. We're all the way up at this red line right now, okay? In 2020, we were here. You see this red line right here? I jetted it out from the lows in 2020 when we decided to open up the borders and the new administration took over. And here we are now. This is what the Mexican market's doing. Now, you see that red line up there, how high it is? This is how low it was right before we opened up the fentanyl highway. It was here. That's how low their index was. We opened up the free fentanyl freeway, and look what it's done for the Mexican market. Isn't that sad that we're allowing this to happen? Anyway, just thought I'd point out the new America for 2023. Welcome to America. All right, traders, back to the E-mini S&P. We're going to buy dips. This is a sad, sad chart, but I truly think that this is basically what you're seeing. The amount of fentanyl being sold and the overdoses in this country, or why you're seeing this, because this wasn't happening nearly as much back in 2020, and their market wasn't up there either. What a nasty index this is. Anyway, E-mini S&P will be buyers of dips. Tune in at livewithoscar.com. Mikey, congratulations, my son. Looking forward to your celebration and ceremony tonight. And remember, kids, stops are in. Emotions are out. Check that out. As soon as he was told to open the borders so the fentanyl could come in and ruin us, so they could come in and buy us at no cost, look what he did. Isn't this a nice boss we have? Isn't that just terrible, kids? I'll see you at my site.